plastic stuff always breaks. And this is a little plastic tray that has lots of cracks in it. So we are going to weld it back together. One of the things you have to start with is you have to stop the crack. Otherwise the crack will continue to run. I have cracks here and here, and this is cracked all over the place. So first thing I'm going to do is put holes at the end of the crack so the crack will stop cracking. You don't have to go all the way through. You have to go at least halfway through. I think that's all the cracks stopped. So now we have to start tacking it back together. So this is a lot like spot welding. We're going to find a portion and it will tack it back together and hold it while we do other things. We're just going along the crack and making little tiny dots. And now that's held together. So now we're going to work on this really, really long crack. I'm not going all the way through the plastic, I'm just making a little dimple on the top of it. And you see that's already pretty strong, it's holding it together. Okay? So it's just kind of like making little stitches. You just follow right along the crack from where you did the point. Now that we've got it sealed together, we're going to smooth it. And you have to do this pretty quickly because you don't want to go all the way through and you don't want to make too big a mess. Okay. Now, after you do this, you can fill the crack with a little bit of super glue, because the back side, the other side that you're not melting together, still has a crack in it, right? And this is not full thickness strength either. To do that, you need to actually fill in with a little piece of plastic. That takes a lot more effort. And I don't have a piece of clear plastic to do that with. Top of the back bucket had cracked, and you can see the line here. One of our wash buckets. So we welded this doing that same method. The softer plastic is easier. Hello from the Dominican Republic. Catch y'all next time. Hey folks, like, subscribe, tell your friends. It really does help. And it helps the channel grow, it helps us get higher in the search engines, and if you do feel like you can, please donate and help us out on the journey and help us restore this boat. We have a Patreon link, we also have a PayPal link on our website.